Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm selling my Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for joining me. So I bought this Jeep Grand Cherokee about 4 years ago, or a little over 4 years ago. Picked it up as a project. I planned to just build a really capable off-road vehicle, and here we are over 4 years later, and it's just a project that never really got started. I did a few minor things, window regulator, some hatch, rear hatch struts and glass struts and the hood struts and whatever. Just some really basic stuff, new battery, but I haven't gotten around to really getting in and doing the lift and the suspension and the tires and the wheels and things like that. So it's just been sitting around, and it was in the garage. Now it's been sitting in the driveway, and it's just time for this thing to go. So let's go ahead and take a quick look around at this thing. All right, so we'll take a quick walk around of the vehicle. And like I said, I've had this for a little over 4 years, but it just needs to go. I've replaced the taillights. I put aftermarket headlights in it. The body's not in the worst shape, and it does have a little bit of rust here around this wheel well. And it actually has a lot of rust on the driver's side. But overall, it doesn't look that bad. Now we'll take a look at the inside. Alright. When I first got this thing, it was absolutely disgusting on the inside, and my wife and I spent days cleaning this thing out. It's got over 220,000 miles on it. It's an automatic. The interior is not too bad now. Again, we cleaned the heck out of it. This little side piece is broken on the power seat. I mean, it works, but it doesn't, it's not attached to the seat itself anymore. And then it's missing some plastics on the bottom side of the dashboard around the steering column. But other than that, again, this would make a decent project. I do have an extra set of wheels, so I got 5 wheels. They're Jeep takeoffs from a Wrangler that actually fit on here. And so I think I'll throw those in with this as well. Come on. And then it has some shiny wheel covers that go over these steel rims. I'll throw those in with it as well. I am going to keep this aftermarket light. I'm going to use this on something else. Here's one of the original headlights. I'll probably just toss that, but that's not bad looking. And then under the hood, it does have a 4-liter inline-six. It's just standard Jeep powertrain under there. So tried and true, reliable. This thing has over 200,000 miles on it, and it will still go. Now, granted, it does need work. The power steering leaks, the brakes leak. needs a battery, so you're going to have to bring a battery for this. And I would not recommend driving it. You know, if you're coming to pick it up, you're going to want to bring a trailer with you or something to tow this with, because that's not something you're just going to get on the road with and go. It is a project. And that's why I'm looking to get only $700 for this vehicle. I think it is a fair price on it. If you're interested, you can send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. I'll put that up on the screen here, and I will let you know how to get here. And you know, $700. You bring $700 cash and you get a clean title 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Like I said, it needs work, but it's a good start for a decent off-road project. All right, so there's my Jeep. Like I said, if you want to send me an email, this will be available this week only. So this video is going to post Thursday. Friday, if I don't have any interest, it's going on Facebook Marketplace. And Saturday, if there's no interest yet on Saturday, I'm just going to get rid of it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.